Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Philips Viva AirFryer. And in this case, it's a black fryer. Of course, it's available in white too. This air fryer is the new oil, because air is the new oil. Fry and cook healthier food with up to 75% less fat. This is godlike, really. Fastest and most even cooking thanks to the unique and patented starfish design. Cook more food in the large 28-ounce frying basket. Yeah, this is awesome, really. It works. You can make some delicious fries in it. You can make some other foods like pie and all other stuffs. This awesome device, it's 100% taste satisfaction, and it's in fast results. This is right. Let's open and have a look what's inside. Okay, on the top side we are going to see a plastic bag, and inside this plastic bag there is some information about this air fryer, and this is the white and this is the black one. Oh yeah, easy to use. And this is the cooker, or the cooking book of it, with so many recipes on board. Yeah, nice. And all these sausages, delicious. So many recipes, you can try to cook them. Oh, I like this machine, really. Oh, this is a guarantee paper, some more information, but now let's open the main product box. There it is. It's wrapped inside some other plastic parts, but now we have to unbox it. Oh, there it is. It's a black edition, as you can see. Ooh, there it is. This is a temperature wheel to set the temperature. This it is. Let's unbox it now. Come on, man. Lift it up and see what's inside. If you're alone at home and you can use two hands of this will be more easily, really. I think this is easier with two hands, of course, but it works, as you can see. This is the bottom side of your or my new air fryer. There are some device informations and for little steps, and there is one tube for having the host for the energy supply. You are going to pull it out and press it back in position if you are going to change the location of your air fryer, of course. Oh, come on now. Let's see the main product itself. It's nice. It's really black, as you can see, and there are so many locks to untighten first, but not by using a tool. We are using our hands, of course. This it is, the air fryer. There is some information about the temperature for fries, for beef, for chicken, and for vegetable. This is the timer and the clock timer. You can push it to the recipes time information, and then it runs to 0 and job's done. This is a wheel to set the temperature inside your device. Yeah, wow. There are some tapes you have to untaping first. Oh, it's a good package. It's safety package. The inner parts of this machine is dishwasher safe, so you can clean the inner side, the basket, of course, inside your dishwasher. You do not have to clean it by your hand. Now extract the main basket and extract, of course, the security stuff. And these are the heating area. There it comes, the hot, unique starfish design. There you are going to see it, but I can see there's one more transporting lock to unscrew or untighten. Yeah, this is good package. Yeah, it's rapid air technology. The air fryer circulates hot air around a metal mesh cooking basket, requiring little or no oil, as it fries, bakes, and grills. Yeah, and this it is. There's a maximum range to fill up. Then you can extract the basket itself, and there it is, the unique starfish design. And this makes evacuation and the circulation of hot air inside the machine to make your delicious meal more tastefuler. Oh, let's insert the basket. Only push the basket down in the main frame, and to extract the basket you have to push on top of it, and then you are going to remove it, of course. Now slide the whole basket area inside the machine, and then easy to use. Then plug it in, start your cooking experience, and have fun. Nice and easy. And this is on the right side you can see the white, and on the left side the black version of this air fryer. Nice product, easy to use, and delicious meals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. But this is the older version. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but we have now the black edition, and this is new, godlike. And there it is, the energy wire. Okay, good product, easy to use. Thanks for watching. I like fries and of course fish sticks in this machine. Oh, soon.